Hello everyone, my name is Jayashree Asopa. Today I am discussing with you classification of vertebrates. Yesterday I was told you and explained you character of chordates and subphylum hemichordate, urochordate and cephalochordate. So now today I am explaining you vertebrates classification in detail. Hemichordate, urochordate and cephalochordate animals, marine water animals. Subphylum vertebrates. So we are see first common character of vertebrates. According to their name vertebrates, it means vertebrata, word derived from the word vertebra. It means individual bone that make up spinal cord or backbone. So we are called vertebrata or vertebrates. In this type of animals, notochord and vertebral column are well developed presence in their body. Vertebrates have cranium or skulls surrounding by brain and protect the brain. They are aquatic, terrestrial and aerial animals. Vertebrates have pharyngeal gill or gill slits are found in any stage of the life. Vertebrates have triploblastic animals, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm through develop the body in the vertebrates. Vertebrates are cold-blooded and warm-blooded animals. Lower vertebrates cold-blooded and higher vertebrates are warm-blooded. They are closed blood circulating system are found in the vertebrates. Vertebrates have well-developed organ system like as a digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system, excretory system, etc. So next, vertebrates body or skin covered and protected by the scales, feathers, hairs and nails. Vertebrates have paired appendages like as a their body on their body forelimb and hind limb clearly show, and in species or fishes fore fins and hind fins are present on their body. In some organisms, mammalian glands are found in the vertebrates. So now, we are saw that common character of vertebrates. Yesterday I explained you difference between agnatha and gnathostomata. Today we are again see difference between the agnatha and gnathostomata. Agnatha, character of the agnatha, jawless animals, paired is absent in the agnatha, and third, two circular tubules present in the internal ears in the agnatha. Its classes ostracodermy and cyclostoma, and in agnatha approx 120 species are found. Its examples of petromyzon and myxin. Gnathostomata, its character, jaw presents this type of animals, paired is present, and three circular tubules presence in internal ears in Agnatostomata. Approximately 60,000 species are found in Gnathostomata. So I hope you understand difference between the Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Gnathostomata divide into the two superclasses. First, species or fishes. Second, tetrapods. First, species or fishes, approx 30 to 34,000 species found in the fishes or species. They are cold-blooded animal. They live in water and like as a fresh water and marine water. Gill or gill slits through respiration completed in their body. They are lay eggs or some organism young ones in water. Their heart two chambers. Examples of the pieces like as scoliodon, labiorota, katla katla, hippocampus, etc. Now we are seeing tetrapods superclass. Tetrapods superclass divided into the four classes: amphibia, reptilia, aves, or birds, mammals, or mammalia. So first amphibia. In amphibia, approx 8,923 species are found in the amphibia. Amphibia means both. This type of animals survive their life water and terrestrial area. So we called amphibia. It's also cold-blooded animal. Its body is smooth and moist, and heart, three-chamber heart in the amphibia. Auricle, right auricle, left auricle, and ventricle. Examples of amphibia: Rana tigrina, bufo, salamander, etc. Second, tetrapod class reptilia. In reptilia, approx 7 to 10,000 species are found in the reptilia. Reptilia means creeping or crawling animals. But some organisms have legs. Tetrapods. Reptilia have scales on their body. It's a heart, each four chamber incomplete heart presence in the reptilian's body, and it is also cold-blooded animal. Example: Hemidactylus, it means house lizard. Uromastic, it means spiny tail lizard, and crocodile, naja, etc. So I hope you understand reptilia. Next, aves or birds have approx 11 to 18,000 species are found in the aves. They are flying animals. Their forelimb modified into the wings. Their body covered by the feathers in different colors. They are warm-blooded animals, and in the aves, four chamber heart presence in the aves body. Examples: ostrich, birds, gallus, columba livia, etc. Next, mammals. Mammals have approx 6,400 to 6,600 species. Mammals have mammalian glands, and on their skin hairs are also available, protect their body through the hairs. Mammals have forelimb and hind limb are clearly shown on their body. Mammals heart four chamber. Mammalia and mammals give birth young ones. In some organisms, marsupial bags are found, like as a marsupial. Examples of mammalia or mammals: Homo sapiens, Panthera leo, Panthera tigris, Canis lupus, Felis catus, and Ratus, etc. So I hope you understand classification of vertebrates. You understand this classification and my session, then you like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.